Hey Trisha, ready for our Q&A session?
Absolutely, come on in.
Great! Let's start with the first question. What does Outsource Accelerator do?
Well, Outsource Accelerator is the go-to resource for outsourcing. Think TripAdvisor or Booking.com, but for the BPO industry. So we've got more than 3,000 listings in our directory, making us a solid connection hub. We're all about boosting your outsourcing adventure, catering to tons of visitors from our website each month, and guiding loads of businesses into the outsourcing scene. So basically, we've got an advisory, an incubator, and we also have a 350-seat facility here in the Philippines.
Impressive! What does your facility look like?
I'll tour you around. Okay, so let's start with our production floor. As you can see, our seating arrangements are open because we want to promote team collaboration and make sure that all the necessary equipment that the staff need are provided. We've got our comfortable lounge area, big conference room, private rooms dedicated for our client staff. We have room for our recruitment team. And of course, we have our very own studio room where we do our video content and take client calls.
Cool! What are the things that make your office a great place to work?
Our office is a pretty awesome place to work for a bunch of reasons. Our team here is super friendly and supportive, so you'll always feel like you're part of a tight-knit crew. Our office is laid back, which is kind of the norm for a BPO facility. We strike a great balance between getting the work done and having a good time. We also value open communication, promote work-life balance, and provide a supportive environment for growth. So everyone's diverse perspectives are welcomed. Plus, we've got bright, open workspaces that boost creativity and collaboration. So if you need a breather, there are some nice spots here to grab a coffee or take a break. Overall, it's a pretty neat setup.
It is nice here. Now, in what ways do BPO offices enable businesses to scale and expand their operations?
Great question. Well, BPO offices play a pretty awesome role in helping businesses scale up and expand. They handle responsibilities like customer support, data entry, and other back office tasks, which frees up the business to focus on its core business strategies. It's like having a super reliable sidekick that takes care of the routine operations while the business spreads its wings. And BPOs bring efficiency and flexibility. If things get busy, they can quickly ramp up support without the business needing to hire or train new staff. So yeah, BPOs are like growth accelerators for businesses.
How is the office equipped to handle technical issues that BPO agents might encounter?
That's a good one. The office is well prepared to address any technical issues that the BPO agents might come across. We have a robust IT support team in place, ready to assist whenever needed. They're experts at troubleshooting all sorts of tech hiccups, from software glitches to hardware snags. So rest assured that we've got all the tools and expertise needed to keep everything running smoothly on the tech front.
Are there any specific security measures or protocols in place within the BPO office premises?
Definitely. We take security very seriously here in our office. We also follow strict data measures, and we control access with ID verification and biometrics in place as you enter the office.
How does the BPO office ensure that client-sensitive information and data are handled securely?
We make sure that our client-sensitive information and data are safe and secure. Access to client data is restricted only to authorized personnel who are required to be present within the office premises. This precautionary measure is implemented to uphold the security and confidentiality of the client-sensitive information. Additionally, we strictly adhere to industry-specific regulations and standards to maintain the highest level of security and privacy.
Last question. What considerations should businesses keep in mind when selecting and partnering with the BPO office?
When picking a BPO office to team up with, there are a few things to think about. First off, make sure that they understand your business needs like the back of their hand. Next, check their track record. You definitely want someone reliable. Third, see if they have the tech and security chops to handle your process. And last but not the least, don't forget the flexibility factor. You want someone who can adapt as your needs change. So it's like finding a perfect fit for your business puzzle.
Great! Thanks for your time, Trish.
Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you had a wonderful time. If you want to learn more about hiring staff offshore, just visit outsourceaccelerator.com where you can book us a call, download our toolkit, and get 3 free codes. Bye!